Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to view message requests on Gmail using your PC. With this new update, it's easier than ever to manage your chats. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, right next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on New Chat to explore your chat options. Once you're in the chat section, look for the option labeled Message Requests. Click on that to see any messages from people who aren't in your contacts. Here, you can view all your message requests. This feature helps you keep track of potential conversations that you might want to explore. If you see someone you'd like to chat with, you can accept their message request and start the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your message requests on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.